When you first open Microsoft Access, this is the screen that you're going to have, and it's basically letting you decide whether you want to create a new blank database or whether you want to create a database from a template that's provided. And we're going to go ahead in this tutorial and create a new blank database. So to do so, go ahead and click where it says blank database, and then over here to the right is where you're going to name and save your database. When you first create your Access database, it's going to have you automatically save it as soon as it's created. So go ahead and choose a file name, and it's going to give you a default file name. If this is your first database, it'll probably be database 1. Go ahead and select just that first part and go ahead and name your database. And notice the file extension is .accdb, and that just stands for Access Database, and that's the file extension that all the databases are going to use with Access 2007. Now, it'll automatically say where it's going to save this at down underneath where you're naming it. If you would like to change that, go ahead and click on this file folder, and then simply browse, click to where you want to save it, and then click OK. So when you have it named and saved in the place where you'd like to save it, go ahead and click Create, and it's going to create your Access database. And here you see the Access window, and you have a new database created. Most Access users choose to create their databases from scratch. However, there are several templates that Microsoft Office has for Access that you can use. The advantage of using a template is that it's really easy, it's already set up for you, and it can really make keeping track of whatever you're keeping track of really simple. The disadvantage is that you may find that you have a lot of predefined settings that you don't really need or you'd like to have differently, or maybe you just can't find a template for your needs. But if you'd like to create a database from a template, the easiest way to do so is go ahead and just start Microsoft Access, and you're going to have your Getting Started with Microsoft Office Access screen. And there's some featured templates on the front page, and then over to the left in the template categories pane there's some other templates. You have local templates, and if you click on that you're going to see some of the local templates. As you click on these, it's going to bring it up over to the right, and it's going to bring up a short description of the template and how you can use the template. You can also go down and from Microsoft Office Online, and you can browse through these categories, and you're also going to get a description over from the right. And the ones that are on Office Online, you are going to have to go ahead and download. You can see the download instead of the save button. The local templates you can go ahead and just simply create because they're already in your files. So if you want to create it from a local template, then just select the template that you want, name it, make sure to leave the file extension accdb, stands for Access Database. Change where you'd like to save it by using the file to browse if you'd like, then click Create. And you can see you already have some categories set up. It's already used that template to create your new database, and now you can go ahead and you can enter the data that you need to enter to make it yours.